We took on the challenge of cheering up this sad summer house with Cuprinol Garden Shades. But how has it fared 2 years down the line? The wood surfaces were in quite a state, but as we know, it's all about the prep for a long-lasting finish. Application of Cuprinol's Garden Shades is always a pleasure. Good colour saturation and a little goes a long way. Do watch the full project video when you get a moment, but one thing I will stress is you mustn't allow more than 4 to 6 hours between coats. Garden Shades is wax enriched. Leave it too long and the surface will repel any fresh coats. Water and wax just don't mix. This is how it looked once finished. And this is how it looks exactly 2 years on. For the most part, the coats have held up well. The colour hasn't faded, it's kept moss and algae at bay, and on the verticals there's no cracking or peeling. As with a lot of products like this, one area you'll need to keep an eye on are the horizontal surfaces. The window beading on this project wasn't in the greatest of health, but it is worth mentioning horizontal surfaces will need more maintenance purely because water can sit there for longer periods. All in all, we have been impressed with how it stood the test of English seasons. Have you done a Cuprinol Garden Shades project? Let us know in the comments, and what are your views of the product? Our wood care experts are on the phone 01303 477 555 if you'd like further help and advice.